Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today we are in sunny Portugal. We've come out to support our distributors on one of their biggest shows of the year, Summer on Stance. We've got a whole truck full of our own cars out here. We're going to get them unloaded, then we're going to take a wander around and show you what this show has to offer. Let's get into it. So that is a wrap for Summer on Stance here in Portugal. We've had an absolutely amazing time. We've had the warmest of welcomes. We've even managed to pick up 3 trophies here. The guys here have gone absolutely wild for the cars. There's some stunning cars here. Some of the cars that were selected for the AutoFinesse area were amazing. The cars are up on the truck now, so all that's left for us to do is get that stand down, hop on a flight, head back to the UK, and we'll see you on the next one.